And we have a working nail circuit. Let's test the conductivity of various materials and get building. First, we'll load our battery pack and put it on about C5. Then we want to light up our LED, light emitting diode. And have our positive pointed so that we can connect it to the positive terminal of the battery pack. Using our R1 resistor, 100 ohms. This funny Greek letter omega means ohms for resistance. But we don't want to open and close our circuit with a switch. We're going to use materials like a metal nail. Whoa! An outstretched paper clip. Whoa! Maybe some paper. Nope. And we can see what conducts electricity and what doesn't. The string of a mask. Nope. But what about, yeah, there's the speaker, a snap wire. Yes, of course. So you can test materials in your house to see how they conduct, only using your circuit kit, never the house outlet that's way too powerful with both volts and amps, and have fun testing conductivity. I'll see you next time, and remember, there's a link to download your Young Inventors Activity magazine, workbook, printable pages. So go get it and have fun inventing. See you next time.